guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a really quick video on all of the cake decorating must-haves that you need when you're barely starting your business.
Yes, to start making cakes, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you need. And I'm gonna show you guys too what we have, you know.
Yeah, so you can start building your inventory.
You don't pretty much need all this.
Yeah, just because like when you start, you pretty much don't have anything, so you're going back and forth to the store a lot. Yeah. And we kind of want to save you from that, even though us to this day we go back and forth and we still buy new things every time we go to the store. But we kind of want to make it like a series, so if you guys are interested in that, the next video could possibly be like how to start your online business for cakes and kind of tell you what to do. And then we can do a collection of our molds.
Our molds, we could do a collection of our pans.
And our cookie cutters.
Cookie cutters, everything. We have a lot of things, but we're just gonna show you the basics.
If you guys would like to learn, you know, what you need exactly to start your business or some of the basics, please keep on watching.
Definitely. Watch out.
Alright, so let's go ahead and begin with all of the basics.
Alright, so to begin, we're gonna need our pans just to bake them. I do have a 10, an 8, and a 6. I mean, we have a lot, but I'm just showing you the ones that we start with.
The ones that you'll most likely use are gonna be these.
It's a 6-inch, an 8-inch, and a 10-inch. But I recommend that you buy 2 of each, so it could be faster when you bake it. We do have a 4, a 7, 12, a 14. You know, we have so many, but these are the ones that you'll need.
Yeah, we started off with these 3 sizes, and I believe that Wilton has these 3 sizes, so if, these are not the Wilton ones, but you can find these sizes maybe at Walmart or Michael's.
I think the first ones that I got were at Walmart, no?
They're Wilton, yeah.
My comadre gave me my very first pans ever. And
it came in a set like this.
Yeah, it comes in a set. But just letting you guys know, you'll need these, alright? And then you'll need some of these.
For when you're baking your cakes, measuring cups are very, very, very crucial.
Yes.
So make sure you have measuring cups.
Unless you're a crazy ass badass.
Al tanteo.
Yeah.
Don't do that with baking.
All right, and then you'll need this to level it. It's called the leveler. You level the cake like this. Ta 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 ta. This goes all the way up to 12 inches. But if you're gonna use it for a 12-inch, you also gotta be careful because the sides still touch the 12-inch. And I recommend that you use this one too for big cake like a 12-inch because this one's huge. This goes all the way up to 18 inches. So I do recommend it. They don't sell it at Walmart, but they do sell it at Bakerylandia in Tijuana.
Or you can find it on Amazon, you guys. But this one is the most common one. You can find it in the bakery section at Walmart, the cake section, the Wilton section.
Yes.
So that's the one that you can get.
Definitely. And then you'll need a smoother. For that way you can smooth your fondant. I don't know where I got this one. Where did I get this one? Oh, I think I got it at Cakewalk, huh? Cakewalk. So you could get them at Walmart, Cakewalk, wherever you want to get it. You'll need a roller, which is to roll your fondant.
We got this one at Smart and Final. There's different sizes. I see a lot of people use little small ones. This one works for us, but whatever floats your boat as long as you have one.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, we got this. Yeah, we got it at Smart and Final. It's like 12 bucks, I think. And then you want to get your turntable. These are, well, this is the very first one that I've ever got.
These are the beginner ones. This is like the Wilton brand. They're pretty cheap, not the best.
Yeah, I didn't really like it. I did use it for about a year, I think.
Yeah, so at the beginning, definitely just get that one, and after that you can invest in one of the expensive ones. But this one we've already had for a while. We're probably gonna get another one because it's already wearing out.
Unless you guys have a man that could buy you this one to begin with. Because this one, I think we got it for half off because it was on special, right?
I'm not sure on the price, but I think we got it for 60. It went down from 120.
Yeah, we got it at Cakewalk. Cakewalk?
Yeah, the Cakewalk, and the brand is Daddy-O's.
Daddy-O's, yes. All right, cool.
Now to mix your cakes, you guys know we have the KitchenAid mixer, but we didn't start off that way. You can always buy like the $10 mixers from Walmart. It's just a little hand mixer.
Yes.
I'll insert a picture here. We also have it in our flan video, but yeah.
You could get, I mean, if you have money, like I said, you have money, you could buy the KitchenAid, you know? All right, so you also want to begin by getting these pastry bags. We got these at Baker's Bodega. Obviously, it says it right there. Bang. These are 21 inches. And I recommend you do get these 21 inches. Because if you do get 8 inch, I mean, there's 12 inches and 18 inches, I think. But these are the biggest ones that they have there. And you fit more buttercream in here, you know?
Yeah, and these come in a roll of 100, and it's for $19.99, which is pretty good. If you're more of the person that wants to always save money, you're probably not gonna like these because these are disposable. You can throw them away, so you can always buy those like the reusable ones. But that has never been us, so. Because at the end of the day, once you have a lot of cakes like us, you wash so many dishes, and to keep washing bags, it's not worth it. We just throw it away.
I just cut the tip off and throw it away. You're gonna need brushes as well. These are gonna be your good friend. Your brushes. I got these at I got them at Joann's. These are probably the best ones that I bought yet because they're plastic and they don't peel. A lot of them that I had were peeling, and I had to throw those away. Because they were wooden.
And keep in mind that these are not specifically for cakes. This is just from the craft section. Yeah. There is some like Wilton brand. They're just expensive and they're not good. So it's just because of the brand.
Just make sure that you get one that's a good brand that
doesn't shed.
It doesn't shed the hair. Yeah, there you go. Right.
Oh, and then 3 of the top stores that you're gonna find Wilton products or cake products at, like if you don't have a cake supply store around your area, it's gonna be Michael's, Joann's, and Walmart. So those will be your best friends.
Hobby Lobby, they have it. Alright, you're gonna need your spatula. This right here, it's gonna be one of your best friends.
So these come in a pack of 4. You can find it at Walmart in the kitchen section.
Yes.
And like show them why we like this one. These are like super flexible.
It's flexible, but I'm just gonna let you know right now, they do rip after a while if you like. Yeah. You're crazy with it, you know. We
switch them out every couple months.
Yes. But this, like when you barely buy it, if it comes off, if you try it. So I buy crazy glue. And I put crazy glue in there and then put it in, and it doesn't come off anymore.
Yeah, it's all sturdy. But yeah, we like this because of the flexibility. You could take out all your cake mix.
Yeah, this is really, really helpful.
It's really good.
So make sure you buy these. And then you're gonna need rods. These are so that way you could stack your cakes and it won't, you know, chip cakes. You could stack them and it won't smash the other ones. These are real sturdy. Let's open it.
Honestly, you guys, we've never used anything other than rods. I know people use boba sticks or straws or whatever, but this is the only thing that we've used, so the only thing we will recommend.
Yeah, these are real sturdy.
We trust it.
So they're only like $3. You could get them at Michael's.
They're like $3.49 at Michael's.
Hobby Lobby, and they don't sell them at Cakewalk for some reason. I don't know why.
But Baker's Bodega, if you're near the area in Baldwin Park, and I know they have one in Pico Rivera, they have a whole wall full of these.
Yeah.
And they're the Wilton brand, so yeah, you could probably order them online as well.
Definitely. And you're gonna need a scraper. This is a metal one, and I found this one at, where was it? Oh, I got it actually at Smart and Final.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Because it's First Street, and I like it because it's super sharp edge, super sharp. You see how it's like super sharp? And a lot of them they're not sharp, so they're rounded, so it doesn't give you like a nice cake. But this one's really, so you always want to get this one too, just like a rubber spatula or plastic. This one's plastic. I got this one at the Hobby Lobby. It comes in a pack of 2. I don't know how much it was, but these are real helpful too.
They're not too pricey.
Yeah, these are really, really helpful. You're gonna need a ruler. You're gonna need one of these, either a small one or a big one, doesn't matter. I recommend this huge one, 36 inches. And I have it marked for like a 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch. But this is cool, so you could cut your fondant in straight. That way you could, you know, you have shrimps made out of fondant. But this is really helpful. I use it pretty much every weekend. So this pizza cutter is really, really helpful as well. You're gonna need it to cut out the fondant. You know, I use it every weekend as well. You know, I do recommend it. You can get them pretty much anywhere. They have them at any cake supply store.
Or even at the Smart Final, no?
Yeah, yeah, you can get it at Smart Final. Smart Final has pretty much a lot of things, dude. Just no cake pans. Well, you do have cake pans.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Go to Smart Final. You'll find everything. All right, and you're also gonna need an Exacto knife. I got this Exacto knife at Walmart, I think. I got it at Walmart, and make sure.
It's in the craft section.
Yeah, make sure you buy a couple extra blades, and be careful. Don't leave this around your kids because it is really sharp. And when you wash it, don't wash it. I think you should just clean it with the rag real good, because if you wash it, you're gonna get it all rusty.
Or just run it under hot water like for a couple seconds, no? And just
just dry it. Make sure you dry it after you wash it.
Yeah.
But always carry one of these if you're a cake decorator, because it's gonna be very helpful.
Yeah, you're gonna need it for your edible images to get the exact like shape and everything.
Yes, this one's really cool. So get yourself one of these for sure. So sometimes you go to a family member's house and they tell you, hey, like, just whip up a cake real quick, you know? Like, no, dude, we need all of these things, you know? Like, you don't get it. Like, remember when I went to TJ? I mean, to Mexico, and they're like, oh, you gotta make the cake, like, make a cake, you know?
Yeah.
And I was like, well, dude, you're gonna have to buy all these supplies. Like,
yeah.
all right, and you're also gonna need these little spatulas. These are awesome. I mean, I got this one.
Chava has millions of these, guys. Yeah. Millions. He only took out 3 of his favorite. But
these are really helpful, guys. You guys gotta get yourself some of these. Any cake supply store has them. I don't know where I got them actually, but they sell them everywhere. There's
like Wilton brand. There's so many brands on these, and
Walmart has it for sure.
And isn't there like a large one that you have too?
Yeah, there's a bigger one. I don't really use that one. I use these mostly. These are really helpful, and I like this one because this has like a curve, like that. So you could, like,
I've seen the straight one too, huh? Like a straight one.
I don't know why. That one's for the sides, I think. But this one's for the sides too. You could use this.
These come in clutch, guys.
Yes, definitely. Get yourself one of these at least. Alright, so you're also going to want one of these. You don't need it necessarily. If you have another way of doing it, cool for you.
But this helped Chava out so much, you guys.
Yes, this is to pretty much quilt your cakes. All you have to do is literally just stencil it all around, you know. Also, if you're going to quilt a cake, make sure you buy yourself one of these. This is to actually quilt it. So like, once you stencil it all around, you go over it with this little thing. And it makes it look like you have like little stitches. You get me? So it's really helpful. Get yourself one like it.
And excuse the background. I should have mentioned earlier. These are all our cakes.
Yeah.
So
these are all the cakes that we have for the weekend. But this weekend, which is gonna be awesome, they hired us to go to Sacramento.
I'm pretty sure you guys know who they are. Brianna from the Murillo twins. She actually contacted us. We did her gender reveal cake, and we're gonna be driving all the way to Sacramento and make her a baby shower cake. So we'll be recording that for you guys too.
That's awesome. I mean, nobody has ever done that. I mean, to us, but it's amazing.
We travel, guys, so if you guys are willing to pay for our Airbnb, let us know.
The gas or the airplane ride. All right, cool. So I'm gonna tell you guys that you're gonna need one of these. I got this at Joann's.
Yeah, we got this at Joann's, guys. This is a perfect tip like organizer.
Yeah,
we hang this on our wall.
I didn't have it until like last year, man.
Yeah.
We barely got it because one of my uncles that's in Vegas, he had it in his wall, and I was like, what? Where'd you get that, man?
Yeah, it helped us organize our tips a lot. Obviously, you're not going to start off with all these tips, you guys, but there's 3 main tips that Chava does recommend, which would be...
It would be this one, which is to
just a big circle tip.
It's a big circle. It's 8 PT. That way you guys could secure your edges and pretty much frost your cake. And then you're also gonna need, I would say, a rosette one. This one's cool for rosettes. And this is a 853. And this is really helpful. You guys need to get this one as well, and get yourself a writing tip, which, I mean, there's size 1, 3, and 5. I recommend you get a number 5 because it's easier to write with. Make sure you get a size. This is a size 5.
And then another one that would probably be the most useful would be for a trim, right? Like for your trim.
Yeah, you can get yourself a trim one. This is a size 12. These come in clutch for sure. Yeah, but there's so many kinds of tips. You guys will be amazed. Like,
yeah, this is just cool to keep your tips organized because we would lose so many tips. And we just have it hanged on the wall, and you guys should see. Like I said, if you guys want a video on our cookie cutters and our molds, it's something that we kind of build up. Like you don't get it all at once because they're so expensive.
Definitely, and also I do recommend you get a lot of these. These are really, really helpful. Like when you put you have to put this on a bag, on a piping bag. Like you have to look. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do it. So you take this off, you put this on a bag, and then you put a tip over it like this. So say you put this tip over it, it's already in your bag, and then you put it in, and then that way you don't have to keep switching bags and bags. You could use the same, like you could use a different tip,
For the same color.
Same bag. Yeah, for the same color. So it's pretty cool. So get yourself a lot of these. I got a lot, like maybe like 20 of these. But
you're gonna have to start a collection, you guys, of everything. Main collection will be your pans, your tips. You're gonna have a lot of things. So, tips, cookie cutters, molds, a lot of things. But this is just the basics. And then, of course, if you're gonna be making your cakes, make sure you get your spray.
Yes, you're gonna have to get one of these.
Just any spray.
Not necessarily this, but this is vegetable oil. And this is so that way your cakes won't stick to your pan.
That's the only thing we use. I know other people use like parchment paper and like things to make it flat. We don't use any of that. Just literally all we use. No extra money wasted. And then we like to maintain our cakes with saran wraps.
So it can be moist. Keep your cakes moist all the time, guys. So once you bake it, let it rest. And then once you can touch it with your hands, wrap it, put it in the fridge. That way
it cools down. And you can buy a big roll of that at Smart & Final for like $5.
Yeah, we get ours at Smart & Final all the time.
That's the best one. But these are the main things that we recommend. Of course, our buttercream from Sam's Club is something that we highly request.
Definitely.
You can make your own, you guys, but depending on how many orders you have, that might be your best bet.
You're not gonna want to be making so much buttercream. Like, trust me, it's once you do it, it's really hard to like keep up with so much buttercream that you need. But I do recommend just go buy yourself some from Sam's Club.
The whip, of course, we already talked about. Our Pastry Pride whip, the purple one. Yeah,
that's pretty much it. I mean, that's basically the to start making cakes, you know.
We honestly have never bought our fondant, right?
Never.
I don't think.
I mean,
maybe
I bought
once.
it one time, and it was satinized, and it tasted like Play-Doh, and it smelled like Play-Doh. So
we wouldn't recommend any other fondant than making your own. We do have a video on how to make it.
And you're gonna need gloves as well. Buy gloves, because when you color the fondant, dye it, trust me, it goes all over your hands. I mean, sometimes I take it off and I don't care. They're
not like a must, but people are crazy about gloves. And we also have our hair nets for like the whole, show them.
Yes. No. Yeah. You know, you want no hairs.
Yeah, so me and Chava wear hairnets all day, every day. We literally have a big old bag of hairnets.
Yeah.
And you can order it on Amazon.
For sure. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. I mean,
an oven? You want an oven?
Yeah, I mean, if you don't have an oven, cool, leave it out in the sun, you know?
Or your microwave.
Yeah, you could microwave.
I have seen it. If you guys would like to see us make a cake in the microwave, please leave a comment down below.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, please comment down below if you liked it or not, you know?
If we missed anything, please also comment down below. Give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on that little post notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. We've been slacking, but it's not because we've been slacking. We just had too many cake orders last week that we could not survive it.
We're so thankful though. I mean, thank everybody that's been ordering cakes, and thanks everybody that doesn't give us such a hard time, you know. We really appreciate you guys.
Yeah, and then we're gonna be also sending out the giveaway winners package this week, probably today or tomorrow. I mean, not today, tomorrow or the next day.
Yeah, but for sure this week.
So you'll have it by this weekend, next week, early next week. So please keep a lookout for that.
For sure. Thank you so much, everybody that entered, and you know.
More giveaways are coming, and keep in mind, thank you for 16.2 thousand. You guys are the best. Yeah, for real. We love you guys. You guys literally, your comments make our day. So that's why I say comment.
A lot of your comments make our day. And, make sure you comment. Don't forget to comment. Did I say comment?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll see you in our next video. Peace.